Hello and welcome everyone to the next tip in these video series about ebooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D version of your book cover. And I know you'll love this one. It's so easy and it's free. And we do it with DIY book design. Do it yourself, book design. And you can come up with something stunning like this one. If you watch my other video, you'll see that I've already used Canva to create the book cover itself. But today we're going to go over to DIY book design. First thing you need to do is to create an account for yourself to get your DIY book covers, and that's fairly simple. And then you'll be presented with this page where you'll begin your free book cover mock-ups. The first thing to choose is whether it's to be a single or a composite. So I'll choose composite. Then you've got several choices here. I'll choose this one. And then go back up, select next. And then you browse for the image of your book cover. And I'll just choose this one again. And then upload it. And it will appear before you as you saw it in one of my other videos. And then you choose next. And then step 3 is you want to save your 3D image as a JPEG or a transparent PNG. That will be useful if you want to change the background. I'll just choose the JPEG version today. And by doing that, it goes away and does its thing and comes back with the image that I will be then asked to store inside my ebook covers, which I will do now. And this one is 3D version 2. We don't really know what it looks like yet, so wait for it. So that's the process to create your free book cover mock-up. And then you can use that 3D image on your website. I'll pause here and I'll go and get that new one for you to see right away. Now that I have accessed that 3D image, I have pasted it here inside my Dabble writer. As you can see, it looks pretty cool with that very dark colored background and how you might see it on an iPad or tablet, an iPhone, or in paperback form. So that's how you use it and how you might then display it. And of course, you might use that same little image to promote it when you're distributing it. One more thing that you might like to try, which is part of the do-it-yourself book covers, is this one I found today. It's a new one that you can create a single kind of book cover, but it's an animated 3D image. So I've used the same cover here, and you can see that it is animated, which will be very useful to put on a website where I'm advertising, promoting that particular book, which doesn't exist yet. As you know, it's fiction, and I'm using it for demonstration purposes. So that's how you might want to use the do-it-yourself free ebook covers in mock-up style. I'll be back with more soon.